When I was in my 20s, I was literally obsessed with El Pollo Loco, and I love their salsa. So I'm recreating their fresh salsa. And after trying this, you will never use salsa from a jar ever again. Charbroil your tomatoes along with your serrano pepper and a quarter of an onion. You don't want your salsa to be spicy, then remove the seeds from the chili pepper. Add kosher salt along with black pepper and sugar and cilantro, a couple of cloves of garlic, a quarter cup of water, and half a lime that's juiced. Put everything in a food processor or a blender and puree it all together. This is perfect as a dip for your tortilla chips or your crudité with the vegetable sticks. Put it on tacos, put it on your eggs, grilled meat. The options are really endless. I would eat salsa with everything.